Hey, what's up people? It's October, one of my favorite months of the year. I love Halloween. This year I'm participating in Inktober. Last year was my first year doing it. I learned a lot of lessons. I learned what not to do and sort of best practices for this year. This year I just tried to limit my focus to the daily word prompts. Another thing I tried to do is just stick to an hour, no more than an hour, sketch, color, and marker, and done. I decided to buy a dedicated sketchbook for Inktober, something that was a little bit smaller than what I was using last year. I bought this Canson. I've never used one of these before. It's very heavy weight. Another thing I did is I purchased a set of really good markers. These are the Winsor & Newton brush markers. Full pack at Michael's craft store was about $27. I wanted to try something different and concentrate on gray tones and how different grays from lights to darks blend together. I thought it'd be kind of a cool effect on a sketchbook. So because I enjoy celebrating Halloween all October long, I like to play a lot of scary video games this month. I like to watch a lot of scary movies. I like to watch a lot of TV shows that people recommend. And I also like to keep my drawings a little bit more horror themed, which I think is kind of fun. And it also, it's a little bit more of a challenge in that I take those daily word prompts and then I actually try to come up with something either pop culture related or something that I can actually, or something that's just kind of off the top of my head. You know, I sit down and I look at the daily word prompt. So this is just a video for week one, and I'm just gonna go through the daily word prompts and just kind of show you what I came up with. Another way to follow along daily is through my Instagram. Link is below. Just click that Instagram follow button and you can catch up with what I'm doing on a daily basis. So another thing I did is I purchased a Switch light. So this is gonna keep me occupied. So I'm just gonna quit my blabbing and let's get to the drawing.